Well, Patrick, we recently had a beautiful solar eclipse that was not seen from Los Angeles at all, but nonetheless, there were some gorgeous images that were taken of the eclipse.
That's right. And here it is. This may look like a strange kind of orange ring around a darkened area, but this is an eclipse called an annular eclipse. It's very different from a total solar eclipse, where the moon is basically a little bit smaller than the diameter of the sun, and it basically doesn't fit as it is aligned across the face of the sun. So let's take a look at these three different types of eclipses. We have the annular eclipse, which is on the right there. This annular eclipse happened when the moon was farthest from the Earth, close to its apogee. When it aligns with the sun, across the face of the sun, it leaves a little bit of a ring or annulus of the sun shining through. So this type of eclipse, obviously, you can't look at it directly. You do need eye protection for it. The other type of eclipse is a partial eclipse, where you may be outside of the path of annularity or even total eclipse path, and then you only see part of the sun covered. And of course, when the moon is just the exact same size or diameter of the sun, or a little bit bigger, then you get a total eclipse. So where was this eclipse seen? Well, here is the path of it, and you can see, I'm going to get the laser pointer going here. It started at sunrise up in northern Canada. Its path tracked across part of Greenland, over the North Pole, and over in Russia. So you can see that it basically was over a remote part of the world where this was seen. So it wasn't very well documented. The only documentation that we have of the annular eclipse is this sequence of images that were taken on board a charter flight. And this sequence of eclipse was taken at an altitude of 39,000 feet, and the plane was flying along the path of the annularity. So you can see the stages of the eclipse, and then right in the middle, the resulting annular eclipse, which is very beautiful. Now, outside of the path of the annularity path, people were able to get, especially from the East Coast, these beautiful sunrise images of a partially eclipsed sun. It looks like a kind of like a smile of the sun rising above the northeastern horizon. Now, over in Iceland, this person had fun and aligned himself with one of the horns of the eclipse, and it appears that he's kind of holding it up in the sky there.